Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from Worldcoin app to your Binance. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Binance account. Once you're in here, just tap on the assets at the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that one, this interface will then show up. So what you're going to do is just tap on add funds right here. Go ahead and click that one and tap on the on-chain deposit. So in here you have to select the coin. So we are going to be searching Worldcoin, so that is WLD. This one. So go ahead and tap on this WLD on the results. So once you tap on that one, go ahead and choose the network. So that is the World Chain. So here just tap on continue. And in here we have to copy the wallet address. So go ahead and tap on this copy button icon, and then go ahead and open your World app. So in here, just tap on the wallet at the bottom. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the three dots next to send button. And then just go ahead and click on withdraw at the very bottom. And here, as you can see, I'm encountering an error right now, but what you usually see in here is that you're going to be asked for the wallet address, and then next to that is you have to select the amount that you're going to be sending. So you have to preview all the details, make sure it's correct, and then just confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!